What if Donald Trump got assassinated? It'd be like the whole world going crazy all at once. First, everyone would freak out. The news would be on every TV, phone, and computer. People would be crying, screaming, and some might even be happy. It'd be like a huge storm hit. Everyone would be arguing about what happened, who did it, and why. Even schools might close because everyone would be too scared or too busy watching the news. The stock market would go nuts. People would start selling their stocks super fast, and the prices would drop like a rock. It's like when you're playing a video game and suddenly lose all your points. It'd be a disaster. Banks might close, and grown-ups would be really worried about their money. The whole economy could get messed up, with businesses shutting down and people losing their jobs. It'd be like the 2008 crash, but even worse, like a giant game of Monopoly gone wrong. Other countries would totally freak out too. World leaders would be scared and confused, not knowing what's going to happen next. It might make some countries get ready for war just in case. Oil prices would go up and everything would get more expensive, like when your favorite toy suddenly costs way more. People all around the world would be talking about it, and everyone would be really nervous. Social media would go crazy. Everyone would be posting, tweeting, and sharing their opinions. Some people might say really mean things, and others would spread fake stories. It'd be like when a celebrity does something big, but times a million. You'd see arguments everywhere, with people blaming each other, and nobody would know what's true anymore. It'd be super hard to figure out what's really going on. After the initial shock, things would change a lot. New laws would be made to protect leaders, but some of those laws might also make people feel less free. The Republican Party would be in big trouble, trying to figure out what to do next. Some people might even start new political groups because they're so upset. Internationally, some countries might decide they don't want to be friends with the US anymore, while others might try to take advantage of the situation. It could totally change how the world works. In the end, if Donald Trump got assassinated, it'd be a huge world-changing event. The economy, politics, and even the way we all get along would be shaken up big time. It's a scary thought, but it shows how one event can change everything in an instant.